Guy flew out to my business. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Boom! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're back on Lake Nip fishing for some perch, looking to bring back some fish for my parents back home. And we're sitting about 15 feet of water. We're early season, only a week or two into January, and we had a nice warm front. So with some intel from Rob's Fishing Charters, I went out and got onto a good perch bite. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. So Nick from Rob's Ice Fishing Charters, he left me a couple at the shop. Masuda rods, asked me to just kind of test them out, see how they fish, and so far I'm using the 32-inch medium fast, and it is doing good on the perch so far. Got a couple walleye with it too, and I've also got the 28-inch medium light, and that's been really good for like dead stick stuff. Super soft tip on it. If you guys are in the market for a new stick, Masuda, it's a decently priced rod. I think they come out to about 40 to 50 bucks. Fishing starts here. Oh, that's a big jumbo. That's a really big jumbo. Oh, that's awesome. Big jumbo. Let's go. Oh my god, there's a ton of them. Here we go. Oh my god, he bit me. Oh boy. This is it. Got him. Oh boy, there's a lot of perch down there. A lot of perch down there. Oh, I was not ready for that. I told my dad I'd bring home some perch for him. I believe I'll be bringing home some perch for him. It's great. So for today's baits, I was fishing a live shiner on a jig head and a rattle bait for my artificial. That seemed to be the best combo for the perch. Just have something sitting there and then work something pretty aggressively as well, and the fish will tell you what they want pretty quickly. Oh boy. I don't even think there was a shiner on that, to be honest with you. Ooh, stumped it. Oh, I think this might be a better perch. Oh, that is a better perch too. What is going on here? Got smoked by another big perch. This is crazy. Moving quick. He smoked it. Little Walt. I think I have something big here. Questionable. I missed the hookup, but oh, that's a nice pike too. Definitely gonna have to change my feet. Wow. Okay. Nice pike. Here's a nice pike. That's super cool. Wow. Oh. Little mini pick. Holy shit, look at that. This guy flew out to my business. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh! Holy, he's flying. Oh, there's two. The toughest part about fishing perch with the 2-rod spread and only one guy was just trying to get that dead stick back down. It's so much easier to send down your artificial baits. Whoa. So right as I got the fish out of the hole, the fish shook the bait and it ended up getting stuck on my hat, and then the dead stick started taking a bite. Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. This might be a big one. Nice. That's a better fish. Okay. Big jumbo. That's a big one. Oh boy. Oh boy. Another jumbo. I'm done. Getting back-to-back jumbos. Not as big, but... Why?
Do you want me to keep some perch for you?
If you want, yeah, I got a bunch over here too. But if you like, keep the bigger ones if you get into some bigger ones.
Yeah, welcome.
Are you guys having fun over there? Yeah, there's a Panoptic's pretty wild with a crazy perch.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
All right.
Okay, let me know if you guys need shine. Just come by. I got a bucket full of it. So.
All right.
Okay.
Talk to you in a bit.
See ya. Bye. Oh boy. Holy fuck. Another one. I'm done. It's snapping right now. This is literally back to back. And they're all perch. Here we go. Oh, they're so they're snapping so hard right now. Oh, I just lost them. Oh my God, come on. Got him. Oh my God, they're so thick. Ooh, that's big. That's big. That's big. What a nice walleye. And oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Holy cow. Oh my God. He's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Got him. Nope, we can't eat him anymore. Try letting some of those smaller guys go. Oh, look at this thing rocket up. Oh, he's gonna smoke it. He just smoked it. I'm kidding. I think that's gonna wrap up today's events. We got a ton of perch, which is awesome. They took a solo day. I got my buddies Bowen and Dylan. They're just all the way over there. They're catching some perch as well. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smaller fish, but still pretty exciting watching them zip up on the fish finder. So hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next clip.